Welcome to the channel. I'm Jay Malone. Today, I'm going to show you how to easily get free, copyright-free images. If this is your first time to the channel and you enjoy photography, drones, technology, and other related things, then start off by hitting that subscribe button. When you do, tap the little bell icon next to it. That way you won't miss anything. Using copyright-free images is pretty important, especially on anything that you plan to distribute online or in print. I've been using a website now for a while called Pixabay. It's free to sign up for an account, and they have a pretty decent collection of copyright-free images. But that's not all. Pixabay has a Photoshop plugin that is pretty awesome. First, I'll show you the plugin in action, and then I'll show you how you can get it. Let's jump over to the computer. Okay, here we are in Photoshop, and let's say we have a YouTube thumbnail that you want to edit, and let's say I wanted to add a picture of a camera to this thumbnail. You can look over here on this little toolbar or shortcut menu, whatever it is over here. You can see this camera that says Pixabay. Once I click on that, it'll open up a little dialog box. I'm going to type camera and hit enter. And you'll see that it pulls up some images. You can scroll through those. And let's say I want to use this one. Looks like a person cleaning the sensor of a camera. So I'll click on that photo and you can see the download button. There's a couple options to look at here though. There's one that says original. If yours don't say original, click on that and you can go through these. You may have to use your down arrow key or the up arrow key because you can't see the whole dialogue there, but I always go to the original, hit enter there, and then you can click on this. It says open as a new layer. You can actually save this as a separate file. I like dropping it right into my document, so I choose open as a new layer and click on download. Now the image downloads and it drops it into your document. We're going to hit this little arrow button to kind of collapse that, and you can see the layer here says picture from Pixabay. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to convert to smart object. The reason that I've done this is because I don't want to lose any of the quality by me resizing it. So yeah, I always convert to smart object there. Now let's reorder this. So I'm going to drag this layer down here right above my background. That way you can see my little branding there. And now we will click on the layer. I'll hit Control T to transform and you can see the image is much larger. So yeah, we can scale it down here. And there we have our camera on our thumbnail. I think this is an awesome plugin. Now let me show you how to get this over here. Okay, so jump on over to your web browser and go to the Adobe Exchange website, or you can click on the link that I will leave in the description below this video. And you can see that there is a Pixabay, it's an Adobe add-on or plugin. Just go ahead and click the free button to download it, and you will have to sign in with your Adobe ID. Once you do that, it will acquire the extension. It tells me that it is acquired now. This website will also tell you that after it's downloaded, you can find this tool in Window Extension Pixabay. Let's jump back over to Photoshop now. Okay, now that we're back into Photoshop, let's go up to the top toolbar and go to Window, and then go to Extensions. Click on Pixabay. You will see that it opened up the little dialog box. Now when you close it, you should have it to stay right there. You can rearrange these, by the way, if you would like, but I just chose to leave mine down there at the bottom. But that's it. Now you just click on the little camera icon, figure out which image you want to download or you want to save or add to your document. It's that easy. Hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. And until next time, God bless. First, I'll show you the plugin in action. I'm spitting. Plugin. Thanks for liking, commenting. Why I can't even do the right hand motions.